Hey everyone! Welcome back to another CapCut tutorial. In today's video, I'll show you how to easily flip and rotate your videos in just a few steps. Whether you're fixing an upside-down recording or adding a creative spin to your footage, you're in the right place. Let's get started. First, open the CapCut app on your device and import the video you want to rotate or flip. I've already got mine here. Once your video is in the timeline, tap on the video clip to select it. This will bring up several options at the bottom of your screen. Swipe through these options until you find the Transform option and tap on it. From here, you have two main tools. To flip your video horizontally, tap on the mirror button. This will instantly flip the video. To rotate your video, tap on the Rotate button, which will rotate the video 90 degrees each time you press it. That's all there is to it. You can flip or rotate your videos as much as you need. And that's it for this quick tutorial. If you found it helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more easy CapCut tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.